Hello, my name is Purna Parna. I'm from batch 24, Computer Science Department, 8th sem. So here I will explain and I will present my internship program, what we did in that 25 days, what we learned, uh, what we learned technically, what we learned in the aspects of soft skills. I will briefly explain through this PPT. So our internship was done in the company named K2 Infotech LLP, which is located in Ankush Nagar, Mysore. This company was actually registered in 2018. K2 Infotech LLP has made a name for itself in a list of top service providers of India. So basically, this company works on ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning. This is the main work domain of the company. Uh, so K2 Infotech LLP, a limited liability partnership registered under the laws of Government of India. So it has its own corporate office in Ramakrishna Nagar, where we did our internship program. So the mission and the main motto for the Keto Infotech is to create a value for each of the customers who visit there, who trust the Keto Infotech by delivering practical and efficient and quality solutions that could help leverage their existing business. So whatever the business their customers come with, the practical and efficient solutions will be provided according to the mission of the Guru Infotech. So what we did as interns in K2 Infotech was that our internship program was actually not much effective in terms of time period, because we got only 20 days internship due to some problems. So we could not do much about our internship. We did not get much time. But in that 20 days, we learned some technical things and as well as soft skills. Soft skills is one of the major things that if you want to survive in technical field, so we need to learn soft skills. So soft skills was one of the extra bonanza that we got. So what we did is that we built a fully responsive web page from scratch. So how did we build this? We used HTML5 and CSS for styling. So this is about what we used. Uh, Along with this, we also learned about basics of animation. So though animation doesn't come under computer science, like the syllabus of computer science, what we are learning, but in the internship program, our HR, our manager of the company, introduced us to the field of animation a little bit, not much, but a little bit. So we could learn some basics about animation using VideoScribe software. So though the weightage of the animation thing that we learned is very less, the 90% weightage will be the HTML5 and CSS that we used to build a responsive web page. So this is what we learned, we did. So about our website, a website which is open source, providing information for a person to start new business venture, or if a person wants to enter into an IT field, or if a person wants to create something in or do something in education field or a marketing field, this website will be helpful for him. So uh, he'll be provided with the service through the website. So website providing videos for better understanding of the mentioned business startups. So as I told earlier, our manager of the company introduced us to the animation basics of animation, through which we did videos, small informative videos about these mentioned topics: business, IT, education, and marketing. We did videos on that, and we did the videos, and we uploaded the video in our website. So in our website, so that any person, since this is an open source website, any person who will visit the website, if he wants to know anything about the business, IT, information technology, education, marketing, so there he'll be provided with the videos with a lot of information that could help him. So this is one of the things. Videos are created. How are videos created? This is not that much weighted topic that I'm talking, but since I am supposed to tell everything that we did in the internship program, So I'm discussing this. Videos are created in a fun, animated way, providing information about the basic skills, tools, and experience required to start a business. So this is about the videos. So about our website. So our homepage looks like this. So our website, the name of our website was InfoWeb website. So the complete information website. This is the homepage that I'm showing in the thing. In the top, the home information video gallery. In the homepage will be displayed. The information thing, here's the main thing: business, IT startups, ideas, and marketing thing. Everything will be shown. The video gallery, the videos will be shown. So here, next one. So this is one of the parts of our homepage that we this is the motive. Welcome to our information website. Our website is a free source which provides information about IT education business. Our website is built using Bootstrap. Basically, we use Bootstrap and HTML5, CSS3. I already told that. This is a free and open source front-end library with HTML and CSS based designs. So since our internship program, we were in 21 numbers. We were 21 in number. So 7 each. 3 groups were made, which consisted 7 members. So one of the team discussed about did the internship about ticket generation. We did about a website. So this is the main thing that we use: HTML, Bootstrap, and CSS. And the next one, information technology. This is what I told. If we go to the information field there, we will redirect it to the another information page where we'll give 10 startup ideas for people from IT companies. So the detailed information will be given in that. So this is a basic website that we did since we did not get much time and we did not get much exposure in order to time. So we could do this much. So coming to soft skills. Soft skills plays a major role while you're in an IT company because everything comes with attitude, everything comes with communication, everything comes with the soft skills. Okay, if we are good at technology, if we are good at technical aspects, that is not sufficient. We also need to be good at soft skills. So our internship program was a bit unique from everyone because even soft skills was considered as the major part of our internship program. Though we'll be provided the certificate only about the technical aspects, but uh, of the topic, we were also we were also taught how to be a very good engineer, how to communicate with each other, how to like maintain a good rapport with everyone. So this is one of the things that we learned. Interacting with people in a company, irrespective of their region. So that is the most important thing. Some skills related to teamwork. Teamwork is the primary goal of any company to achieve because without any team, any IT company that would collapse. So individual work is also important. Along with that, 60% of the work will be done in the teamwork environment. So teamwork, how to deal, how to work in a team as teams. You were thought about that. Some skills related to teamwork, including the ability to negotiate with others. So this is one of the things, and to recognize, appreciate diversity in team. So every team is diverse. Every individual is unique. So we need to cope up with everyone. We need to discuss things. We need to learn. We need to teach. We need to appreciate everyone. So this is one of the thing. Ability to accept, apply feedback. The feedback thing is very important. So each team will be having their own limitations and pros and cons. So every team should communicate with each other team and should accept and apply the feedback from others. So work on time. Time is very important. Work on time, complete tasks in timely manner, stay focused and stay organized. This is one of the some of the soft skills that we learned. So coming to the conclusion, our internship was actually very qualitative internship. Uh, the time that we got was very less because of various reasons due to the company reasons. We get very less time. Along with that, we learned everything. We learned about uh, soft skills. We learned in aspects of technical. Uh, So we built a fully responsive web page. So this is about our internship. Uh, I'll send the report and thank you so much. Thank you so much.